Union Home Minister Amit Shah on November 6th addressed the Lok Sabha over the Nagaland firing incident and the ensuing violence, which left 14 civilians and a soldier dead. In a statement, he pointed out that the vehicle carrying the 6 civilians who were gunned down in an area between Thiru and Oting village in Nagaland's Mon district on Saturday evening was signalled to stop, but it tried to flee. It was after this it came under firing from the security forces, who had mistaken the civilians for extremists. The 6 civilians said to be workers in a coal mine were returning home in the vehicle when the accident took place. This triggered violence in the area Saturday night and late Sunday afternoon. In the violence, more civilians were killed after security forces allegedly opened fire for self-defense. 7 were killed on Saturday and 1 on Sunday. Following Amit Shah's address on Monday, in the parliament, the Naga tribe that most of those killed belonged to issued a 5-point memorandum of demands relating to swift and strict action against responsible defense personnel and rolling back of special powers granted to the army and security forces in the state. The Konyak Union, the apex body of the Konyak Naga tribe from the Mon district of Nagaland where the incident took place, has sent the memorandum of demands to the government. The first demand is to immediately set up an independent inquiry committee under a competent investigating agency. Number 2, 2 members of the special investigation team that the government has constituted to probe the incident must be from Naga civil society. Number 3, all army personnel involved must be booked and punished under law of the land, and details of action taken against army personnel be put out in the public domain within 30 days. Number 4, immediate withdrawal of Assam Rifles from the Mon district. And number 5, repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act or AFSPA from the entire northeast of India. The other day, Amit Shah in the Lok Sabha said that the government of India was expressing regrets over the incident and condolences to those killed. An SIT has been formed and has been directed to complete investigation in a month. The situation is tense but under control. All agencies have to ensure such incidents do not happen in the future, Amit Shah said. Amit Shah did not clarify if the centre planned to give permission to prosecute those members of the armed forces protected under AFSPA involved in the killings. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefu Rio and his counterpart in Meghalaya, Konrad Sangma, have also demanded the repeal of AFSPA. AFSPA has been in effect in Nagaland and parts of the northeast for several decades. Under this legislation, security forces can conduct operations anywhere where the law is in effect and arrest without issuing prior warrants. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.